Yes, peeps, as I can see in the morning, yeah. Early rise. Yeah, man. Today, part 2 for the video, you know. You can see that's the sun glare that I come up. All the moon still in the sky. Early rise, you know. Me and Mickey and my brother, we make a step on the river again, you know. Yeah, man. Stay tuned and watch what go on. So we are going to go up on the river, you know. We wait until the light out before we touch the road, you know.
Yes, it's an early morning thing.
Yeah, as you can see how I dress, you know, it's a river vibes. We not do nothing too fussy, you know.
Yeah,
can't
so
dress up on the river.
this is a part 2 our day, guys.
Yeah, so we are do part
the
2.
last fishing video.
Mm.
So we are go up on the river, get some fish. You
Yeah,
see what I go on the river.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please remember, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you press all so you can get all our videos in.
Yeah, man. And remember, share up the video them, you know.
Yeah.
Share the video them. We need the support, that's it.
Alright, guys, on our way to the pond, to the river.
To the river. You know what's in this? Hey, you don't
Food.
Food.
This is my breakfast.
So yeah, man, we're there on way, you know.
And this is the water. We have to bring water. We don't give river water. Yeah, let's go.
And we also have some rum in our bag.
No, I'm not telling my private. That's my secret recipe. Me have to go ahead,
Blades. Yo, people, watch out.
Somebody line in there, you know? Somebody line.
Go here.
This is church, I come and then get happy.
Yeah.
Go fish them a flick.
Now catch me today.
Alright.
Look there.
Come on, we're not
So we reach on this spot, you know, guys. I go drop my line and see what can go on for me. Yeah.
You see what I tell you, stretch? That alone make nice. Take off this up.
You can come there, so.
You can come there.
This needs to take off.
Jesus!
You not him get
Mickey!
See my movie.
Mickey!
Look how pretty. Oh my God.
Alright, people. Yeah.
Look about me
see
catch
it, you
him.
know?
No, that's him right for
First one. Dash him where you're mad.
No, you got to take off of it. Take
him off of me.
So what me I talk about?
You see, mommy?
Mickey said, hey, you know, you can't feel when them come on fire.
Of course. Me I tell you. Okay. Bomba!
Carry on, take off the bag of fire back and weed. I'm going to let that to the tail me take out another big sitting there.
Hey, this one,
Good now. Mommy?
Lambs, you get pick.
See you get picked there to
Stretch! No! No, you!
Big blood clot fish.
Yo! No, you! Lambs, you have to catch him back.
Catch him back, Lambs.
Jesus, he bun me. Jesus.
You know, say? Me they go over this.
We say, man, you can just dry out and look at me as one big monster.
Yeah!
Mickey shall move it for by water, please.
Yeah. Yeah, Mickey.
One more on them. Way back. Woo!
Let me say.
Come.
Monster.
I'm afraid of them, you know. So, take it out! Take him up quick. Yo! Yes! Yes!
That's a big one.
Yes, man. Lovely one this. Pick it up.
Alright. Yeah! Yes, man.
Yeah.
Finally.
Me not catch no.
Finally, are you one left now?
You see, say work lambs.
Yeah.
I saw you have to do it.
Realize if it's true, man.
No man, me changing it. Me put it up a little further. You see, if I put it up a little further, you get a little chance to go down a little.
Gonna beach now, this beach with bathhood.
What you say?
Gonna beach with bathhood.
Who got beach with bathhood?
Me and Shara and Auntie. Me and you. Yes.
We got a beach and in a bus with
Yes,
you to see.
we are going to river go bed.
Beach.
Yes, man.
It a get big.
Come kiss mommy.
No.
Give mommy a kiss.
Yeah,
Mommy, mwah. You love mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy love you too.
Yeah.
that one.
Yes. Yes. Yes, mom.
Yes, guys.
Another one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm a big one.
Wait.
You will have funny so.
Wait.
So win some just catch one. Map just catch one.
So, Mama, you know, you me bad for yes. Yes.
Come see. Yes, guys.
This is Makisha aunt.
My you can't touch.
Hi. This is Makisha aunt. Hi.
Hook him, lambs. Yes, lambs.
Finally.
Alright. Guys, it's a fun day fishing.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
sir.
lambs.
Finally, man.
That me a talk about. Yeah.
Guys, me beat. So me a change location, you see me? Yeah, man. So you can see Mickey them still up on the river down there, so. Everybody still down there. But me and Sharon, Leko miss. Yeah, man. I go up on the other side, you know? I go up on the Mata Island side. Guys, that short line no hell. But why? You don't know as usual. We don't know what I go on. Me catch 2 fish still, but are the fish them we can eat, are the catfish them, so. Right now, me just come over on the other side of the river, me go and chill out, you know. See me go just take a chill in the water a little bit and yeah, just mellow, yeah. See, let me throw up my line, but no, nothing at all, you know. Yeah, she share put us over there so I enjoy themselves. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so me I take a chill, you know. See if we can get something to eat, you know. Because no know a thing go already. Man, I not really eat nothing. Make them did eat since stay, but we never get to eat nothing, so it's my chillax time, you know, man. Take a chill from the fishing. Just might touch all the river too. See it. I mean, father lambs. Yeah.
Guys, I make some sandwich right now because we start lick we are midday, you know.
Yeah, man. Put us. Yeah, right.
Put us
Yeah,
get
sure.
a swim in a river.
Eh. Yeah, man. And we have 2 youth there on the place at speed them there in the
More
river.
people are coming for fishing,
More
guys.
people are coming for fish and swim. Win some. Let me see your fish them. Actually, where from there? Oh, you have it cross the river there, sure? Yeah, man, alright.
Right now, I still want to fish more. I'm not ready yet.
Oh, true.
We are make some sandwich,
Let
guys.
me see them bring some. Carry them come. Let me see them. I lie, what?
Where say a fish,
Fish
so we
with
really
you.
have to go do, you know.
Yeah, man, we are going to do some fish tea.
If we not catch no more.
Yeah, but we not going to go back over there. It don't make no
We
sense.
go back. I told me now, no
Yeah, man,
run
so
you.
guys.
I lick up it around where they pan hook. Add me drop it there run with it. Where you did that, dog? You want help coming on? No, bro.
Guys, we are going to eat, you know, you eat. Yeah, man. You can see we carry everything
Yeah, guys, we are
prepared.
going to make some sandwich right now. Me irie right now, no. I'm very irie. What you want? You hear that, guys?
So we have a
Maybe
bread.
want juice. Time for we eat.
You want
and drink.
juice?
Yeah.
So you want juice? Eh?
Hold on.
Mwah.
No girl can't put no water. Rum in our water.
Some
Some
sandwich. We have tuna sandwich here. And woo! Yeah, tuna sandwich and also
And
some
beef bully.
corned some corned beef.
Show them a river.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know the river, man. You know what I go on and see what I go on. Yeah. Sure, the cross the river, yeah. Right now, me hungry bad.
Yeah, tell you hungry, I pick we. You know, like when fish are picked.
This look like a pepper sitting cereal.
No pepper.
No cereal. What's your name?
It's all natural. Yeah, win some ask me. One auntie asked me my name, guys.
Win some hungry, you know, win some
God, my youth.
food.
Me a fishing in a, me no have no fish. Me I fish them. My youth, you sit down to
We still are going to fire up the fish them. We have put 2 in 1. That we are do.
Straight. She knows the one thing. So
Tip on my bread.
And I go deal with that.
Love enough me up on my bread, you know, peeps.
Me love me and it's bad. Me and me
This
me
a for me, you know,
want big
peeps.
foreign jar.
Yeah.
Then I did.
Alright, so just mix up some mayonnaise and
Pepper and garlic.
pepper and
onion.
garlic. People, peeps, me can't eat that. God knows.
Guys, if my thing not tasty, me can't eat it. Me have to have pepper, garlic, onion in my sandwich. Yes.
Watch how they flick, still a flick up, you know.
Make sure that right now, make sure that I have a slice of tomato and some lettuce and cucumber. But you know, I river with the pan, so I say things set, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tell them.
Mama, go share.
Like, comment.
Share.
Alright. She said like, comment and share, guys. And subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit up the notification bell.
Bell.
Alright. Press
I
all.
can't even remember. What we're gonna do right now, we are gonna see the fish them, you see me? So that's when we catch round. We are gonna see if we file wrap some and make some fish tea. Well, we change our mind, we'll just file wrap some, you see me?
Say boss, you see a scale of fish them now.
Yes guys, so I scale them, you know. So we can have to deal with them the right and proper way.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah man, so we forward in back from down the river. And this is how we catch. So I go carry home some of them here. We can put them in a fish tea, like use them with fish tea and ramen and all them things there, you know.
Yeah, little one them.
So we are gonna file.
Them here season already, guys. We are gonna file wrap them. We only are gonna put pepper and butter on it, but it already seasoning. Just that we are gonna do and file wrap them.
Yeah man. As you can see, we have a fire ketchup over this already.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna see where I go and still, yeah?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we are gonna cut up some pepper and mix up it with the butter for stuffy fish them, you see it? So we are gonna do for we file wrap fish, you see it? Don't know. A knife dull your bumpy. God know the knife dull.
What photos? Yes, sure, look on him because he
Yes guys, so we are doing it.
Kawai madu.
Right now people me can smell the pepper in it. Hot. Yeah.
Alright, that's a filling
Alright, so I stuff little bit in it. Alright my peeps, so me rub some butter on the file paper you know to make his fish them not stick. This a feed the little pitney them still because them no want no pepper enough feed them, you know. So just I go just put a sauce of butter inside the fish same way because you don't know, so when you go in a file paper, you know, it a go melt and a simmer down on the fish same way, so you know say yeah, I eat that. So I just go and put it on here now and see what I go and feed later on, you know. Yeah man.
Good. Who does this?
Hold on. How you feel so?
Alright, stand up.
Me a feel in my hand.
In your hand.
Like it a shock me.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps, I don't know, so that's how you think set, you know?
No one shall
Alright.
So well wrapped.
Well wrap up here now. See it eh?
So drop him, Bunny. Yeah.
Eat that.
It's a yard man style.
So we are going to do the rest of them now, guys.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yes peeps, so that's how we do it, you know.
Guys, then one day I feed kids them because they can't eat pepper.
Yeah man, so we now put my pepper in another one here.
Alright, mommy, I come here.
What you do with your touch? Go on there. Look here, little girl. How you to make people look for you? You idiot. What me tell you, sis? Mikisha, go and carry her now. Go and, no. One in a carry.
But drop this pan you know peeps, so just make it heat kind of go through, you know. Yeah.
Come puppy.
So that one you know, one have the pepper in it.
Come puppy.
Alright.
Come puppy. Come here.
Alright peeps, so all of them this you know. Two of them pepper, two of them no pepper.
It's a fire wrap fish, you know?
Yeah man.
Yard man style.
I tell you, I'm not normal, guys.
Yes, remember peeps, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the drill.
Tell them to subscribe.
Yeah. Tell them again, Putus. Tell them again. Tell them again.
You're in a mood now.
You're in no mood.
I'm
Just have
stuck.
it fresh.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
have it fresh and clean off.
I'm going to sleep now.
I just say bossy
Eat
you
fish
know.
first.
Alright, yeah, Putus.
Alright, big chef, turn your fish them.
You mean? Don't know me, I one and only chef already.
I can't wait for taste it.
Like a bad boy.
Trust me, no lie, man.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Alright guys, so think them supposed to ready, you know. Take them off and see what I go on.
Strong man.
Strong in it.
You see what I go on here now?
Alright, peeps. See it
Whoa.
here. See it here. Yeah, man. I'm done, man. Pepper kick.
Pepper make everybody a cough.
Man, I done, man. I good.
Yeah, man.
Who are the chef? Who are the chef?
Don't worry yourself, stretch. Don't worry yourself.
Mud.
Ooh, mine a drop. And mine.
Alright.
Don't go up on it. Don't go up on it. Do not go up.
Hey, this is no lambs.
Alright. Let me test it. Hold this.
I'll put them in a plate. Put them in a plate, you know. All of them nice juice there.
Put them in the plates.
Dog can have this himself.
So I go on. Alright.
Yeah, we don't need one different plate for it, you know. Because remember I said the ferry have pepper.
Yeah.
Alright. Me and Mick. Oh, it is. Me a king, not sure. Chef.
You know, say once pepper in them, I go look.
Where?
And butter at that. Nice, man. Nice.
Mad.
Go on.
So lambs have him bread, yeah? Daddy peep here, you know.
Solane.
Yes, peeps, so that's how we do it.
Pepper in
Now we go. Survival.
Come see if you want one.
Go up on the river, catch some fish. Yeah, man. That's how we are do it. Alright.
Alright. Making tan pan.
He's stuck funny, guys. Bomba. Neat, that you know that can't.
Give me put it back. Hey.
Sure.
Hey.
It's alright. Let me pick up. Put us your time to test it. Come, put us a test it, you know. Put us a test it one without pepper. Test it. Tell me how it tastes. It tastes nice. Put us it tastes nice.
That is just a chef, not you?
Alright.
Hi.
Yeah, go.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. We want to say thanks for your support. And enough blessing and respect, yeah?
Yeah, man. You can put us, yeah? Enjoy yourself. Hey, fish or pepper?
So, until next time.
Check up that one.
Until next time,
That one up here.
we have to peace out.